everyone and welcome in Dying Light the Beast game. In today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the global illumination quality in this game, so stay with me and enjoy watching. Like always, as the first step we have to open the settings, and to do it you have to press the O button on your keyboard. This is a smartcast, or move here and click on options. Now get into the video tab and press F on your keyboard, or move here and click advanced video settings. Now in these settings we have to scroll to the very bottom of options and find the global illumination quality. In here it controls the quality of global illumination, so you can choose from low, high and medium, depends on your preferences. Obviously if you choose a high then it's the best for visual effects, but if you have a worse PC then you can change it to a low and decide if you want to change, for example, textures or shadows or particles quality to high amount. All depends on your needs and how good is your PC. That would be all for this video. Hope you like it, leave a comment and also subscribe to our YouTube channels. Goodbye!